Hi everybody, Brett Kisker here. I'm going to walk you through dual credit enrollment, the highlights of the processes and what you need to know for the fall of 2020. This is because we see a lot of confusion and deadlines approaching. I want to make sure everybody is on the same page. First of all, an overview. Everything that I'm going to talk about here is on our Northland CAPS website. It's all right there on the students and parents menu. You can see the option I've shown on the right called dual credit info. You click there and it's going to have everything that you need to walk you through the process to show you if you're eligible, how do I do it. Okay, so really all I've done is I've taken the website and I've turned it into a PowerPoint so I can talk over the top of it. What I need you to know is that the deadlines are really quickly approaching because the start of the school year got pushed back till September. We don't have a couple of weeks to sign up. We have a couple of days to sign up, which is very unusual. Okay, so UMKC's deadline is Monday and Northwest is next Wednesday. Please pay attention to that. They may not extend deadlines in order to meet late submissions. Okay, how you enroll depends on the university, and I'll walk through that in this PowerPoint. And make sure that you're checking the eligibility requirements, which come from the university, not from Northland CAPS. So they'll look at your GPA and some other things to see if you're even eligible for dual credit. As far as the cost goes, it's $90-something and change for each class. That's per credit hour. So ballparking it, I just put $100 per credit hour, about the cost that you're going to pay in order to take these classes for dual credit. Now, dual enrollment through Northwest, assuming you're eligible, all of our students can enroll in a course called Profession-Based Essentials, and I actually pulled this from the document on our website, so if you want to go see what that's about, you can see it's a 1-hour class. It serves as an elective credit at Northwest, but anybody in our entire program can sign up. The only difference between all these options is if whoever your teacher is will determine which section you put on your application. So you can see in that fourth column there, section, it goes 50 through 58. You will choose that depending on your instructor. However, there are a few more options for specific strands through Northwest Missouri State. So for instance, if you're in our DMD strand, you can sign up for a class called Foundations of Electronic Media Production. I'm not going to read all these off to save time. This is in that document on our website where you can go look up, okay, what is Foundations of Computing? You can go look up what it's about, how many credit hours it is. And again, if you want to know, like, how does this apply towards a degree? Or if you have a question like that, that's a question for Northwest, not for us. How to enroll with Northwest. Now this is important and really why I'm making the video. So Northwest has a paper application. We have limited copies available in the Northland CAPS classroom, so you might be able to get one from your instructor. If not, there's a link on this PowerPoint. It's also on our website. You can print from there. You might even check with your high school counselor, because if like your high school, if Platte County High School offers dual credit, say through Northwest, then they're going to have the same exact form in the counseling office and they can help you out there. Or maybe just print it at school, okay? Lots of ways to get it, but you need to fill it out and your parents have to sign it, you have to sign it, okay? Once you have that completed, then you turn that into your Northland CAPS instructor. We have to submit them by Friday of the 18th. That means we need them from you Wednesday the 16th. We may not see you before then. We need time in order to collect those because we have to put those into a giant group and submit those all at once. So we need time to do that. Your deadline to turning it into us is the 16th. Now, that's our part of the process. You fill out the application, you give it to us. Meanwhile, you need to go to your high school counselor and say, I need my transcripts and test scores sent to Northwest. We don't have access to that information and we won't be able to provide it. Everything else you see on the application, as far as like letter of recommendation and things like that, I take care of that. You don't need to worry about it. So everything you see here, that's all you got to do. Fill out the paper and sign it, turn it into your instructor, and ask your counselor to send transcripts and test scores. We take care of the rest. Pretty simple. Dual enrollment through UMKC is a slightly different process. There are different classes for different courses. Like for instance, Global Business and Logistics has an entrepreneurship toolkit course that you can get dual enrollment in. There's also one for engineering and advanced manufacturing. Medicine healthcare has options in both schools and they differ in what they mean. Okay, so your instructors can walk you through what the courses are. And if you have questions about how they apply towards a degree, you need to ask UMKC, not us. How you enroll, assuming you're eligible. For UMKC, the entire enrollment process is online and it takes some time. There's 3 different steps. You have to set up an account first, and then you have to verify the account, and then you can go through and enroll. The links for doing that and the step-by-step process is on our website, so please go look at that. Don't forget, same idea though. as you're applying online, you need to request transcripts and test scores from your high school counselor to be sent to UMKC. Go start that process early. One important thing that we figured out today after a conversation with the counselors at Kearney is that if you are taking dual credit through UMKC at your high school, we ran into a little bug with the enrollment process. And what we realized is that whenever you get to the screen capture here on your application for UMKC, if you're doing it, on the school information page, you need to add both your high school and Northland CAPS as a separate school. If you do that, then whenever you're choosing your courses, you're going to see that both of them, like both sets of courses, sign up. You'll be able to sign up for all of your courses at Kearney, and you'll be able to sign up for all of your courses with Northland CAPS, and you'll be good. Now, what if you screwed that up? Let's say that you went through and you've already submitted an application. What if you've already submitted an application for either Northland CAPS or your high school and you didn't include the other one? How do you go back? Well, according to UMKC, as of today, you should be able to go back to that application page, reopen your enrollment, and then add the school and check the course. However, if it doesn't let you do that for any kind of technical glitch, I can't help you with that here. You need to email Carla Meebane at umkc.edu, and her email address is here. It's also on our website. Hopefully this clears up the process and you understand a little bit better what our roles are and what we're trying to get with this. If you have any questions, you can start by asking your instructor or your high school counselor, or you can always contact the Northland CAPS office. Thanks and have a great day.